the top product trends on Amazon in any category. I'm going to be showing you how in today's video. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every tool that JungleScout offers. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so here's a little sneak peek. See the top product trends for any category, track the historical performance of top 100 products in a category. This tool is going to make your life a lot easier. You could always do this manually, but it's going to be super fast for you to get those creative juices flowing and find different products. What's number one in the baby category, what's number two in freezers, and so on. Let's look at it. So we go to junglescout.com and then we're gonna go to the category trends tools. Right now it only shows the US, and right now we're on today's date. You can actually go back. Let's see how far we can go back. Yep, I guess it tracks it every single day for the last few years. But you can see, okay, so if you were looking and you were just like, let's just get our creativity juices flowing and we want to sell electronics and we want to sell security and surveillance products, right? We could see that Ring is number one, and we can kind of look through the top 100, which is really cool. Actually, it looks like this is more than 100. So let's view this one on Amazon. So it looks like a mini camera, and so you can see where the demand is, how much money competitors are using, and what you could potentially make on Amazon if you sold a product like this. It's a great way to get your creative juices flowing if you wanted to launch a product, let's say in the surveillance area, and then you can just do 4,000 bought in the past month, 4,000 times 35, do the math there. And this one has Wi-Fi, and you can actually test it out and see. Let's keep looking at other products. I want to see if there's anything unique. Here's the cool owl one. So again, if I had my creativity's juices flowing, instead of having an owl, I could have something like a guard dog, a dragon, something different, and then sell a product that's similar to this. Now let's go back and let's see, it even dives deeper if we wanted to do surveillance video equipment, right? So I was reading a book about iPhone, and the people who made the most money off of iPhone weren't the actual sellers of iPhone. It was the people selling the accessories. When iPhone first came out, there was only 2 cases. And if you made a case to compete against them, you were making millions and millions of dollars a month. Screen protectors, stuff like that. Now there's so many, but that's a great way to dominate the market, is selling accessories. So we can also see, I never saw this. What is this? Hidden camera detector. Only 59 reviews. So look, we already found a good find just looking at this. Number one in hidden cameras. It's not even a hidden camera, it's a hidden camera detector. And they are making, so we did 2,000 times 29, so they're making around $40,000 a month if my math is correct. Now you can always double check the math, but it's got a lot of good reviews. Are the reviews real? I guess they're real. Yeah, these look like real reviews. Very, very convenient, awesome, a great product for you to actually sell yourself. And they're just dominating this market right now. So I don't know how many hidden camera detectors there are, but this one is definitely number one, and that's another great idea to go from. Let's look at another one real quick. I'm just showing you all the tools. So let's just go through and we're gonna look at small appliances, right? Specialty appliances. There we go. A bagel slicer. Chocolate fountains. I see, these are the things you don't think about. And the more specific you go, the less competition there is. You guys don't even have that good reviews. Is there like a super expensive chocolate fountain on here? This is like the most expensive one I see. Is this one that's 68 bucks? Let me see if there's one that's more expensive. 109. Here we go. Here we go. We want to sell. They're not even winning the buy box, but yeah, it's crazy. So there's a chocolate melting pot. It's not making that much money, but it's good to see. Let's look at this one. 300 times 68, and this one is working really well. So again, you can find different products in different categories, which is really cool. Now, once you start finding products, it's time to have like a little bit of a checklist, and this is the checklist that we use for our clients. Something similar to this, and it's just questions to ask yourself. So when you're looking at the product, does it have more than 10 competitors? Right? Or is it so niche it only has a little bit of competitors? What about the profit margin? Is it above 25%? If it's below 25%, that's probably a no-go. Is there a barrier to entry, right? Maybe if it's a supplement, you have to have special documents to sell it because it's ingestible. Can you get around the barrier to entry? Is it a seasonal product? Is it a long-term product, right? Fidget spinners were more short-term. Do you think it has a patent? Is it niche? Do you think China can come in and easily compete, which will happen? Are all the competitors making at least $5,000 a month in sales or more? And then what would you rate the product? So having a checklist really helps you get all of your thoughts on paper and then make sure that you're making the best decision logically and not emotionally. And since you stayed towards the end of the video, I'm gonna be showing you all of the tools that JungleScout offers. They have Academy, which is for training, developer for creating the tool, extension, which is the JungleScout extension, which is very good, manage products, improving your listing, which is listing builder, FBA reimbursements, inventory manager, product costs and settings, analytics and performance, profit overview, profit and loss statement, other transactions, ad analytics, review automation, keyword optimization, keyword scout, keyword lists, keyword rank tracker, suppliers to help you find suppliers. They have a supplier database, supplier tracker, product research, which is the ones that we've been using right now, which is product database, opportunity finder, product tracker, category trends, sales estimator, and of course they're implementing AI. So a lot of different tools. If you wanted to try JungleScout out, we have a discount in the description. So you just go in the description, click that link, and then it should give you a discount. JungleScout does have a 7-day refund policy. So if you purchase it, you try it out for 5 days, don't like it, they'll give you a refund. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you need help with product research or anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in. The link's right in the description and you can contact us or schedule a call right away. Also, our #1 service is our full Amazon A to Z account management service. We'll come in, we'll manage your entire account for you, do a whole phase plan and strategy optimization plan, and then we'll start managing your account and increasing your sales. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.